Hello everyone, welcome back to Tong's channel. So today I want to share the tutorials how to make the Google spreadsheet on the view only or on the view access only. So here we just need to choose which documents that we want to share to people. After we already have it, now just take a look on the right side of the document. There are three circles over there. Just click it to access several tools from these documents, and then just click the manage access. And now choose the restricted into the anyone with the link. But since we want to make this document only can be viewed without any commenter, without anyone can edit it, so just make sure that this document on the viewer only. Okay, so after we get it, just copy the link. And now you can share to people or your friends that you want to them view your document. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel.